Day 2 in Dharamshala taught me the best parts of a trip aren't always the ones you expect. The day started with a lovely family breakfast at our hotel and everyone enjoying together. After breakfast, I took my mom and Chachi to play zone, and honestly, that was one of my favorite moments. Seeing them let go and be a kid again felt really special. Then got ready and headed out to explore. Our first stop was Dharamshala Cricket Stadium, which is one of the world's most renowned international cricket venues and also one of the highest cricket stadiums in the world. The views here were beautiful, but there was just one problem. The crowd here was insane and it was hot and packed, so we decided to leave for the next destination, the Nature Pool Cafe, which turned out to be the highlight of the family trip. Getting there isn't the easiest, especially family ke saath, but somehow we all managed. And trust me, it was all worth it. The moment we reached, everyone wanted to get into the water because family patience level is zero. The water was crystal clear, freezing cold, and so pure that the second you touched it, you could feel the difference. We dipped our feet into the water, danced, laughed, and did some sharabe cheers together, had hot Maggie, and just spent the best time together. Honestly, that's what made this place so special. Not just the views, not just the water, but the fact all of us were there together having the best time. At one point, I even dipped my face into the freezing cold water because I wanted the ice cold rush. And trust me, man, it felt amazing. We spent hours there talking, laughing, enjoying the water, and just being present. Nature does that to you. Eventually, we headed to one of my favorite cafes for lunch, the Other Space, where, like always, I ended up making new friends. By the way, this place is always great food, so don't miss their thali specially. After lunch, I really wanted to show my family Dharamkot, but honestly, they were not impressed because there was a lot of walking involved. So we quickly changed plans and decided to head back to McLeodganj market instead. And on the way, we got stuck in major traffic. And when I say traffic, I don't just mean cars. It was so packed that even people couldn't walk. Somehow we managed to escape and stopped at Juniper Cafe for coffee and cakes, and honestly, that break was much needed. The moment we stepped out of the cafe and saw the traffic, we all said, nope, not today. So instead of fighting more crowds, we headed back to the hotel, and honestly, best decision ever. We enjoyed our sharabe, the food, and the mountain views. And I have to say, this property served one of the best food we had on the trip, especially the Indian food. Punjabi families को तो खाना अच्छा मिल जाए तो trip वैसे ही successful हो जाता है. Next day we were headed home and the trip was a success. But there was a learning. Don't do this hill station for 2 days. Make it 3.